Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, I am doing a quick DIY project that I saw ZGallerie, and I just thought I haven't done anything from ZGallerie, and this seemed so simple and it is inexpensive to create, but ZGallerie has it for clearancing right now for $29 to $39. So I want to recreate this, and I will also have a picture of it as well. It's 3 picture frames, and I am going to put a twist on it. I like theirs, but I want to put a twist. I want to put my own touch on it. So what you'll need for this project is 3 picture frames. I went ahead and picked up 3 different sizes. I couldn't find the same colors, but it's no big deal. So I have the 8x10, the 5x7, and the 3.5x5. So that's what I'm going to be working with. Now, I also hauled these little surface Sure scented, it's scented oil warmers. So I guess what you would do is buy the little inserts and Sure scented oil warmers, diffusers from the Dollar Tree. So I thought these were awfully cute, but I want to use the little, if I can get it off so you guys can see it without breaking. I don't want to break it because that's the purpose of purchasing it, so I can put it on my picture frame. Oh, I think I got it. Okay, so I hauled 2 of them. So you will need 3 picture frames, and you will need 2 of these warmers. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for choosing to watch the video. Thank you for joining us, and I hope that you will like the video, what we're going to create today, and decide to become a subscriber. I have over 200 videos, so I hope that you will take time out and check out some of those videos as well. I appreciate it very much. I thank you for your time and your support in watching the videos and leaving me a comment. I am trying to get this out again, and I keep dropping them every time, but this is what it would look like, so you can definitely use it still without the design on it. Alright, I'll be right back. So guys, I got them, and they do have these little things onto the back. So I'm thinking you will also need to have a wire cutter so that you can cut away these little things here, plastic. They're just plastic, but I think you may need the wire cutter for the to do this, only because the scissors may not be strong enough. Yeah, so there we go. It comes right off. I will go ahead and cut this off, and then we can start on our project. So we'll have 2 of these little birds. We'll have 3 picture frames. We need the spray paint. I'm going to go with silver because the picture has silver diamond wrap on it. So I'm going to go with silver, spraying the frame silver. Let's go ahead and open these up. And of course, guys, as usual, as always, you will definitely need to have your glue gun, glue sticks, and your scissors to be able to cut your diamond wrap. So I'm separating my frames, this is what I want to be able to spray paint. So that's as easy as it gets. Separate your frame, take your glasses out, and that's it. So I will recap again. You need 3 picture frames, 8 by 10, a 5 by 7, 5 by 7, and a 3.5 by 5. You will need a wire cutter, you'll need your glue gun, glue sticks, you will need a silver spray paint, and diamond wrap. I don't know if I'm going to add gems to this or not. No possibility, so I have them here. Alright, so I'm going to go spray paint and I'll be back. Guys, so this is the spray paint. It came out silver. I spray painted it silver and I got the sides, and now I'm going to glue my diamond wrap on. First thing I want to do is place my glue onto the edge of the frame. Just like that. Then I don't want to saturate it, I just want to get a straight line down halfway, hold my diamond wrap straight, and pull straight down onto my, I'm gonna make sure it's straight onto my frame. Press down. I think I've got cobwebs. And side. Straight down and then side. Pull your diamond wrap, make sure it's straight, and lay it down. Just like that. So I'm going to do that to the other side. Got cobwebs everywhere. Lay the glue down long ways. Turn it around so you can see. Place your glue down. Take a strip, one long line, halfway. Pull on your diamond wrap to make sure it is straight and press. Alright guys, I'm going to continue, finish this up, come back for the next step. Okay guys, so I've got all of them blinged out, which I love. They look great. And now my goal is to insert all the backs back into place. So if I can figure out, let's put the glass back in. I'm not going to put a picture in here. I don't necessarily have one that I want to put in, so I'm just going to put the original in. so I don't run out of time, I'm going to go ahead and put all of them back in, and then I will come back to glue them together and add our little birdie. So this is what it will look like. Okay, so let's go ahead and wrap that up with all the other ones, and I'll be back. So guys, I've decided not to attach the large one to the frame. The reason for that, it will be top heavy, and not just top heavy, but you could not possibly see the picture that's going to be in the large. So for the medium frame, I decided I was just going to attach the bird and leave it just as is. So I love the way that that looks. It does not look like a Dollar Tree picture frame at all. It's absolutely beautiful. So I did go ahead and attach the small frame to this, and I hope you're able to see what I'm saying. I have the frame attached, and there is no way to be able to see. If you put a picture in here, you would not be able to see it with both picture frame hanging. And I will share with you the ZGallerie one that they have. I didn't care for it, so as far as to have it attached, so I didn't. Okay, so now I am going to add to this my bird. Not quite sure if I should do it at the bottom or on the top. I kind of like it at the bottom, so let's go ahead and do it on the bottom. Add the glue down. Oh. I think I need to do it onto the bird. Let's do it onto the bird. Alright, I'm going to hold this together and I'll come back and show you the complete finished product. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I love it. You cannot tell it is a Dollar Tree project, and I think that is fantastic. If you like this project, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what your thoughts are, and if this is something that you would recreate for your home. I think it's wonderful. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on my next DIY.